Opening a new gift box into you today. I'm very excited. This is a very big box. And let's let's open this. I'm very excited. Okay, let's try something new today. This is a fluffy gift bucket overall. Very soft to touch. There is a cap on it. Inside are five lipsticks. Lipstick should be some of that classic colors. Let's see. Below this parfait, there is a mirror. This bucket is very beautiful. There is a chain here. You can hang this up. To be honest, I think this is a little tasteless. No need. The bucket and a mirror. There are 5 lipsticks in the gift box. Let's pick 2 and try one color. M05 and 08. These are the classic color numbers. I want to try. Let's try this 3 newer color. The color and texture of this lipstick are okay. Let's try this another one. This is a big change in color. This is the last one, and they are nice. These are the nude colors. Thinking very amazing, guys.